All right, guys, check this out. This is a custom fitted bottom grill. It's 10K gold with two-tone diamond dust finish there. You can see in the middle there, you got the white diamond dust and you got the yellow border around it. Here's the back side. Beautiful design, guys. This is the two-tone diamond dust finish, one of our most popular styles. I'll move over to the light so you can see the difference in the sunlight. Okay. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. Check us out, guys. Real custom fitted grills, handmade. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.